A while ago I bought a pair of Bluetooth headphones from a Swedish brand I really liked. Unfortunately they broke really quickly, and today is the day I'm going to repair them. This is actually not the first pair of these headphones, it's the second one. This little plastic bridge here which holds the tension, which holds the headphones on my head, snapped really quickly. I reached out to the company and they replaced them for me in no time. However, the second pair also broke, and this is the second pair. When I reached out to them again, they told me that they were out of stock and these headphones wouldn't be made anymore. Apparently, I wasn't the only one with that issue. Many people had reached out to the company and reported the exact same issue. You might have heard of this as planned obsolescence. Planned obsolescence describes the practice of designing products to break quickly or become obsolete in the short to mid-term. My phone, by the way, broke as well. So now you could blame obsolescence to a whole lot of reasons: evil planning, cheap materials, or wacky engineering. And maybe all of these are a part of the problem. But the actual bigger problem is that it's much easier for us to replace these products than to repair them. It's our own motivation or unmotivation to repair the things or to take care of the things that we own. So with my pair of headphones, it's actually that all the functional parts work. Battery is intact, it still connects, the driver works just fine. It's only that they can't keep up tension. If I would bend this a little further, it would just snap and break. So instead of tossing it, I decided to repair my headphones. And today we're gonna make it happen. To repair or to reinforce my pair of headphones, I will need two things. I will need a thin piece of wood, like a wooden fork or an ice cream spoon or something like this, and epoxy glue. With the resources on our planet getting scarcer and scarcer by the day, it is actually our responsibility as designers to create products that last or that at least are repairable. Products that you can take care of and that you can own and that you can maintain and repair if you need to. If this, however, is not possible, we need to enable creative ways or show you creative ways how to fix these things. And this is what I'm going to do now. For my pair of headphones, it's actually quite simple. What I first need to do is I need to bend the wood in the same way that the headphones are bent. What I do is I just toss the wooden spoons in boiling water, boil them until they get really soft. I will then affixate them to a bended surface, something like a glass or a steel pipe or anything that's round and that roughly matches the radius of my headphones. In my case, I'm just using an old glass I found here and two really strong rubber bands. The wet and hot wood now just dries and cools down on the glass, and once I take it off, it's perfectly bent. Now all I gotta do is shorten it to the right length and attach it to my pair of headphones with epoxy glue. Leave it sit for an hour or so because you want to put tension on it in the end, so it should be really stable. If you want to, you can then paint the wood in the same color as the headphones, but I kinda like this wooden appearance. So with my newly repaired headphones, I lose the ability to bend them, and I don't know how long it will actually last. But I do gain a new piece of hardware that I would have tossed otherwise. And I got a new story to tell, a new video to make for you. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye.